Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Vivian. Today we will learn how to make garlic scapes recipe. It's a simple dish that has a spicy flavor. Let's start. Firstly, we should prepare 200 grams pork. Cut the pork into thin slices. Then chop it into minced meat. Then save it for later. Second, we need to prepare 400 grams of garlic scapes. Cut them into small pieces. Then save them for later. Next, we should prepare some other ingredients. Cut one piece of ginger into pieces. Then chop them up. Save them for later. Then pat the garlic twice with the back of the knife. Then chop it up. Then save it for later. Then cut 2 chili peppers into small sections evenly. Then save it for later. Next, we should make water starch. Add 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of water into the bowl. Stir them evenly, then save them for later. Next, we should make the sauce. Add half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, half teaspoon dark soy sauce, half tablespoon oyster sauce, half tablespoon cooking wine, and 2 tablespoons water to another bowl. Stir them evenly, then save them for later. Now we can start to cook the garlic scapes recipe. Firstly, we should heat the pan with high heat. Then add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil into the pan. When the oil is hot, pour the garlic and ginger into the pan. Then add the minced meat into the pan. Stir fry continuously until the minced meat changes color. Then pour the sauce into the pan. Continue to stir fry it evenly. Then pour the garlic scapes into the pan. Stir fry it until it is cooked. Then pour the chili peppers into the pan. Continue to stir fry it evenly. Finally, add water starch to thicken the sauce. Stir fry it evenly. Then the garlic scapes recipe is done. It is tasty and super delicious. Hope you can enjoy it.